By the end of this 3-minute video, 400 million people will have started watching porn. Yep, that's a fact. According to studies, 95% of men under 30 years old are engaged with porn. No cliche stuff. Porn is bad, okay? I just clickbaited you and you know that. You're watching world's best porn addiction video right now, so stick to it. Porn lowers your concentration. Porn lowers your happiness. Porn makes you addicted. Yeah, those are true, but no one told you this sentence. Don't start quitting if you don't meet the conditions. I will explain those conditions by the end of this video. Listen to me. Just quit porn if you've got an exam season upcoming. If you want to achieve a massive goal which needs a lot of time. If you want to obey your religion. And if you want to strengthen your willpower. Otherwise, there's no reason for quitting. If you say it makes me tired for doing sports, yeah, that's true, but its tiredness just lasts for a few hours, and that has nothing to do with your testosterone level. Now I want to introduce you to the ultimate weapon for fighting porn addiction. Society. You heard right. Cold showers, motivational videos, push-ups, having a goal just work for the first 30 days. After that, an uncontrollable craving comes after you, and the only thing that beats it up is society. Communicate with others, and then there will be no cravings, no matter who they are, friends, classmates, family, partner. Avoid loneliness. You're alone at home on Monday afternoons 5 to 7, so go to gym at that time to feel it. And when you're not alone and cravings come after you, just go chat with people around. Install an addiction day counter app on your phone for more motivation. These are the only things you need for quitting. Damn those push-up and cold shower stuff. Also remember the fact that porn is drug, and every quitted guy has a chance to return, even if he hasn't consumed for 3 years. So damn those 30-day stuff they say. Here's the conditions I've been talking about to start quitting. Number 1. You must be at least 4 days away from any mind-consuming stuff like exams. If you're not, so don't start till then. That's because in first 4 days of quitting, your brain becomes unstable. Number 2. You must be able to fill your lonely hours with outdoor activities for first 30 days. Number 3. You must see yourself as someone who has already quit and believe that. I mean, don't ever think of getting back to porn. That's all you will learn from reading the Atomic Habits. If you meet these conditions, congrats. Let's start from now, bro.